Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mova for class 6 English. Myself Nimisha Mehta. Dear students, we finished unit 2. Today we are going to start our unit 3. Unit 3 is water for all. So, water everywhere. But first, we understand about the importance of water and water for all. So who need the water? So here scientists theorize that life originated from water. Hence nearly all organisms need water to exist and survive. We human beings also need water for survive a life. So water also forms the base for all living organisms. As much water is lost from our body, the same or more needs to be replenished. Interesting facts about water. World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March every year. Earth consists of 78% water, rest constitutes for land. 60% of your body is made up of water. On an average, jellyfish has over 95% fully from water. 97% of water on earth is salt water. Do you know? Sea water. Understand no? Yes. 97% of water on earth is salt water. 0.01% of the water available in fresh for drinking. Do you know? No? Don't waste water, save the water. More than 69% of fresh water is trapped in glaciers. After understanding how important water is and how there is a scarcity of fresh water in the world, let us look at some of the ways in which we can sensibly use water and conserve it as much as possible. Do you know in what we conserve our water? Well, lake, dam, pond, check dams. Okay? So, from this unit 3, water for all, water everywhere. Adapted from how stuff works. From this link, we understand. Did you know that there are 1260 quintillion? So, from this digit, we understand this is a international numerical system. So, here I mentioned there are some place values greater than a million. Do you know? 6 zeros in million, 9 in billion, 12 in trillion, 15 in quadrillion and then 18 in quintillion. After 1260 we put 18 zeros. Then we get this large digit 1260 quintillion. Liters of water on our planet. This large liter of water, amount of water, 1216 quintillion water on our planet. That seems like a lot because it's a large digit. Understand no? Yes. That seems like a lot. But drinking water can be very scarce. We understood in our further paragraph and a passage. So, why is that? Because less than 1/2 of 1% of Earth's water is drinkable. We sent 0.01% is a fresh water for drinking, drinkable. So you can see why we need to take care of our water. You may wonder why we don't just make the ocean salt water drinkable. Actually we do. Now this process going on. This salt water convert into fresh water. So here they given, look, one image, cooling water, condensing dome, coolant drain, heat, boiling chamber, product water. At our home also, we boil the water for drinking. So, here they given, it's called desalination. The process of removing salt from seawater so that people can use it. They remove the salt from the seawater, salty water. In fact, people have been making seawater drinkable since the times of the ancient Greeks. The old way was to heat the water until it turned to steam. In nowadays, near our Bhavani temple, sea beach is there no? There also in future, this plant going on. This on plant that work going on. For this sea water converting into drinkable water, fresh water. The old way was to heat the water until it turned to steam. The steam would rise leaving the salt behind. The steam would be cooled, condensed back into water and then collected. This method works well in small amounts. But heating the water to boil takes a lot of fuel. Do you know? For boiling the water, we need fuel. We use electricity, fuel the woods, burn the woods, many ways. Gas stove also. Because of the need for so much fuel, desalinating enough water for cities, states and nations is usually too costly. To boil this water and we remove the salt. However, as technology improves and fresh water becomes less plentiful, scientists and engineers look for new ways to make desalination less costly. I saw you here. We go in maths and understand about million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, quintillion. In this chapter, they mention 1260 quintillion. So, I hope you understand this lesson. Waterfall all, activity 1. Another topic, what does water everywhere nor any drop to drink mean? This is from the Rime of the Ancient Mariner, a poem by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and is used to suggest that despite being surrounded by something, you cannot benefit from it. Water conservation. Water can be conserved and used for various purposes. Dams and water harvesting help towards fulfilling this criterion. Idioms similar to water everywhere, nor any drop to drink. Do you know very less fresh water on our planet, in our earth? 0.01%. And 97% of water is a salty water, undrinkable. So, here they given few idioms. Dip your toes in the water. Keep your head above water. Blood is thicker than water. drop into your lap. From this idiom, we understand about water, water everywhere, nor any drop to drink. Okay, children, I hope you understand this activity 1 and we will understand activity 2 in our next lecture. Okay, complete your work as per PDF. Thank you.